Now let me clean that beak. You were tricked. The food is here. You first eat, and then you did a poopy. You did a poopy on my table. You think about having tame birds since babies that you can do literally anything you want with them, and they won't give a shit. It's amazing. I can grab him and shake him and do everything, and he's like, I still love you. Eat the food. Eat the food. Yes. Your crop is not even nearly full. And you haven't been eating the seeds properly. Else you would have weight. The only way that we found to make him actually start eating, buying millet. Right? Right?
Sounds like you're saying thank you in Chinese. Shishi.
Shishi. Good shit. Good boy. God damn it. Can you stop pooping on my head? You little fucker. What are you doing? At least 2 more spoons, come on. 2 more spoons and I'll leave you alone.
He's falling all over the mic. He's so cute though.
No. The food is here. Stop. No, no climbing. No climbing. No, stop climbing. Yeah. Boy, can you hear? Can you hear? You know what this sound is? Stop climbing the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna.
Keep climbing the bowl. It's funny.
So nice. Come here. You wanna climb? Wanna see? You wanna see what happens when you climb? Wanna see what? My God, he's filling my shirt with a bunch of fucking formula. Amazing. Love this. Love having a baby.
Oh yeah.
God damn it. Come here.
Welcome to
This is what happens
motherhood.
when
to motherhood.
This is what happens when you climb. See, I have to clean you because you're dumb. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to hurt you. I mean, I didn't hurt you. You were just being a pissy, right?
Is he okay?
Because I have these. I have the millet strips. And because they look like a tiny snake.
Oh. Yeah. Fair enough.
See? Yeah. Oh, see? Now he's biting. He's still scared because it moves, but better. But hey, if you don't want more, I won't give you more. That's fine. I'm not gonna force you to eat. I would like you to eat by yourself. Okay, let me just... Since you're higher, is it better? Of course it's better. Of course. He just wants to be in a higher place. He doesn't want to be on top. He wants to be on top of the screen, on top of me, on top of anything.